Hello, welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. On the menu today, really simple but super tasty. We're going to make garlic fried rice. Hardly any ingredients, but this really is delicious. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at the ingredients we're using today, and there are very few ingredients for this delicious dish. So we've got some rice there, cooked basmati rice. Now always use cold rice when you're making any form of fried rice. Hot and warm rice doesn't work out so well. Onion, cut quite small. Garlic, the star of the show, chopped. Salt and pepper and some green onions. We're going to start this off with some oil. Very simple, but delicious. So here we are at the cooker. I've got my wok here. I've got some oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil. You could use a different type of oil if you want. We're first going to drop in our garlic. And you want quite a lot of garlic. Oh, by the way, all of the list of the ingredients will be in the text below. And our onions. And we're not on a like super high heat. Above medium, but not super high. And we're going to go for about 3 to 4 minutes. So this is coming on really nicely. Very simply, we're going to add some salt and pepper. Give that a little mix. You can add other things to this like celery, chopped carrots, optional things like that. We're keeping it nice and straight today. Then we're going to go in with our rice. And like I said earlier, always use cold rice. Cold rice works really well. We're going to go for about 4 to 5 minutes now, staying on this, fairly lively heat. Stirring all the time. I'll see you then. Fantastic. We are done. Off goes the heat. Let's grab those spring onions, green onions or scallions, whatever you call them. Drop them in. Give them a little mix and that's it. Really simple garlic fried rice, which is really delicious. Very few ingredients, as you've seen, but fantastic. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will see you soon. Lots of love.